Setting up Parrot OS on your M1 MacBook Air is very simple. Go to getutm.app, go to this link, which I'll put in the description below. Just click download and you're cooked. You've just been hacked. No, I'm just kidding. If you download UTM, UTM is basically a software that allows you to run virtual machines. It's similar to VirtualBox or VMware. It's exactly that. And you can virtualize any environment of Linux. You can run a Debian environment, Kali Linux. Maybe if you just want something like Ubuntu or Linux Mint. Anything that you want to run as a virtual machine, you can do that with UTM on the M1 MacBook Air. You can also do this with M2 and M3. Anyways, let's get into it. So download it. I've already got mine downloaded. Once you download it, install it. That's pretty basic stuff. I don't need to show that. Okay, once you've done that, the next step is to search up Parrot OS. If you go to the Parrot OS or the parrotsec.org website, you go to download, you want to come down here and you want to select virtual security and then here where it says ARM architecture. So for ARM based processors. So let's click on this one. Let's click download and it's going to say UTM Apple Silicon. Once you see this, just click download. Yes, allow. So that's going to go ahead and download the UTM Parrot Security zip file, which allows you to run Parrot OS on UTM. So it's like a pre-built virtual machine that you can just spin up and have running in less than 10 seconds. So depending on your internet speed, it might take a little while to download this file, but that's fine. Once you got it downloaded, I'll show you the next step. So let me just skip this part. Keep in mind that the username and password for Parrot OS is parrot because it's a parrot. Anyways, once you have it downloaded, all you need to do is just double click on it and there we go. It was that simple. You just double click on it after you've downloaded it and you click the run button when you have UTM installed. Now you can see here that it's running Parrot Security OS. And there we go. Now, just one issue. So if you get this issue where all your icons are small on your screen after you've opened it, all you need to do is go to the top left, click System, click Control Center, go to Displays, and you can see here it says Scaling. I don't know if you can see that, but it says scaling 100 or 200. If you click 200, everything will be scaled to the width of your device. So there we go. Now if you apply it and you click save, there we go. Now it's more readable and now you can start using Parrot Security OS on your M1 MacBook Air, which is very nice. Look, I can open up my terminal. I can run Metasploit here. You can customize it the way that you want to. If you go to System, Preferences, you can go to Look and Feel, go to Appearance, and you can customize it the way that you want to customize your Linux OS here with Parrot Security. Everything is set up and it looks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.